In this plan, we would like to show the stairs coming up from the hallway into the landing, as indicated by the red arrows. Select the Stairs drop-down menu along the top toolbar. This plan requires a straight stairwell with the wall against the right side. Manoeuvre the stairwell into the hallway and then tap to add it into position. There are various options for the stairs, including an up arrow, as well as altering the handrail and the look of the first step. You can use the red handles to alter the width and length of the stairwell. Use the central handle to change how much of the stairwell you wish to show on the current floor. Once you are happy, select Go Upstairs on the stairwell menu. Now you can tap on the stairs and make further adjustments using the red handles. Altering the stairwell can slightly affect what you have done downstairs. Be sure to double check you are happy with the positioning and tap on Finish to see your final result.